Hi, Rob Dunn from Auto Control Systems. We've recently installed an easy weld system down at JD Rail, so thought it was a good time to come and check in with Stephen on how it's been going for him. First off, Stephen, can you tell us a little bit about JD Rail?
JD Rail, we produce railway level crossings, concrete with steel for the heavy haul up north. We're doing a job overseas as well at the moment. We basically get big haul trucks and oil rigs over the railway line, crossings. And basically we've got this to speed up the production of the saddle, producing We're exporting these overseas to a job in the Middle East for a big railway project they're doing. And basically, with the saddles and stuff like that, we get them galvanised after they've been welded up with the robot and put them in the containers and send them over. The reason why we got the robot was to speed up the process of the saddles, and also it takes away with the labour shortages at the moment with all this COVID around and stuff, and basically
You're struggling like everyone else.
And basically this takes a lot of the skilled work out of it and stuff like that, and basically we can ramp it up a lot quicker and get workers as well. So
your boilermaker that's doing this is still here, isn't he? He's on the other side doing the more complicated
stuff. Making molds and stuff like that, and jigs. It's just basically, it hasn't put anyone out of work. It's just basically spinning up. Because we've got to produce thousands of these. So we need to speed it up. And this has done it, and also made it a lot more efficient. So,
production-wise, what would you say you've gone from and to in terms of throughput of the product that you're running on?
It's sped up tremendously. Basically, we've obviously got human error with other saddles as well, where this robot gets it pretty much right all the time, and sped it right up to, I don't know, probably maybe 10 times what it was.
So you mentioned to me before from sort of 15, 20 a day up to about that amount per hour, 20 an hour.
That's right. That's correct.
Which is a great result.
And
what we like here.
And like you said, you can basically run it when you want as well. You don't need them skilled workers, so that's an advantage as well. So you could run it 24 hours a day if you needed to, if we wanted to do that. So
all whilst keeping it local in WA.
That's right. We went round to see Rob, and they showed us a demo over at their yard, and then we ended up purchasing one, and they come out and worked with us and got it all up and running and set it all up for us, and basically it was quite a simple process really. So
once we had it set up and going, Colin, we provided 2 days training on it. There's a couple of customisations of the system just to make things a bit smoother for you guys in terms of your jig side A and side B. But essentially after that 2 days worth of training, you guys wrote all these programs. It wasn't us who wrote the programs for you, right? We just showed you how to use it, got it in working and suited.
That's correct. Basically, Colin set a lot of it up, different things. That was one of the reasons why we liked it as well. It's because once we finish with this, we can set it up on other things as well. It's, it is a very simple system to set up and stuff like that. So, I know Colin's obviously did most of it, but he did it all himself.
Which is great. Exactly what we kind of is like. We need to put that power in the hands because it's WA. We're not making 4,000 of this all the time. You guys need to be able to do that. So, which is the whole reason behind it. the system and then customising it to work for you guys. So.
Yeah, and it's quite an easy process as well. Like you can take it from this job to another job quite easy.
Yeah.
You know, like basically, once this is finished, you could set anything up along there really.
Yeah.
And set it up. It wouldn't take very long. So
Yeah.
no,
Yeah, reprogram it yourself and away we go.
Yep. Pretty much paid for itself. So it's
And it hasn't been in very long either.
No,
So.
it's like you said, probably a month and a half, and it's all there.
Produced enough for you to pay for itself.
Yeah.
Yeah, funny things it can do in the future.
Yeah, but no, it's been great to us. So
Good.
yeah,
To hear.
yeah. But no, yeah, thank you very much.
Right, Stephen.